This is the frozen peppers. I got some fresh peppers and some frozen one, and I got also fresh onions. So you pour that in there. So guys, be careful. You gotta stay away because my oil is hot, and I need my oil to be nice and hot. So this one right here is the fresh peppers, red onion. It got some shallots in it and some also garlic. So this go in last. We're not gonna let it fry like that. It's gonna go last. Y'all gonna see what stir this in. Get it nice and caramelized because this is some frozen vegetables. You want to get it, cook it first, and so you know, get nice and soft. So I'm gonna cook a little bit before I put in my spinach. So this is what we're gonna use. One of the things we're gonna use to season in our shrimp. Notice my shrimp is with the skin and everything in the head. That's where all the juiciness and everything is good. I don't peel my shrimp. I just clean them and use the shell because all the nice good stuff is. So I don't measure. So I eyeball a little bit of this. That's what we season our shrimp. And I'm also going to use some balsamic vinegar. That you measure it on the head. Like two head of this. Season our shrimp, and also going to use some organic vinegar also in that. I'm going to get it nice in. So we're going to go in. This one is a sweet soy sauce. I'm going to put some of that. So now we're putting our sweet peas and spinach in now. We're going to let that cook down before we add our shrimp. Put our garlic salt in this. Not too much. Eyeball everything because you know you're adding a bit more seasoning. Done. And we're going to put our lemon pepper in this. For my Haitian out there, or anybody from the Caribbean, you know what this is. This is where we soak all our peppers, different kind of hot peppers, onion. We got paste, different paste in it, and then gonna give you your shrimp a little kick up. That I use the pink Himalaya salt, and this is what we're gonna do. This season a little bit, put a little bit of salt on our stuff. Gotta eyeball it, guys. Don't do what I do. If you're not used to this, gotta measure it to make it salty. So now it's time to mix and put the shrimp in and let the shrimp cook for it. We're just gonna add some more oil to this and add also a little bit of butter so we can get that nice. So this is how I have the shrimp. We're gonna lay it on top and just let it cook down. So right here, this is our own homemade tomato paste. We don't use the store-bought tomato. We make our own. We roast it with a couple of different ingredients, and then we make our own tomato paste. So this is what, to put, you know, give it a little bit of color. So that's it. So I know my pot a little bit small, but it's okay. So we're just gonna put the onion, red onion, shallot, and some fresh peppers over it, and then cover it down. And then later on, we're gonna finish it off with a box wine, cooking wine. So right now we're just mixing everything in, so you know the onions from the top can get a little bit caramel, or whatever they call that word. I know it can be nice and cooked, don't be too fully raw. So now the last thing we do, guys, our shrimp is done. You want to take some cooking wine, just a white wine cooking wine, and then you just pour over it so the bottom, all that good stuff at the bottom. You don't pour all and then you drink the rest. Okay guys, this is done. You put some fresh parsley on to the top of it, and you got your glass of wine, and so underneath it is some pasta mash. And if you did that, request for the next video.